Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the college chatbot project. So this will be the complete project folder. Okay, and let's open the project code. This will be the complete code like main file. Let's scroll down. Okay, from the starting line like from 1 to 15 we have imported the libraries. Okay, let's run. So it will open the chatbot interface. User can type any questions and chatbot will reply. So this will be the college chatbot. You can change the font or calendar, like you have to choose a date. Okay, and if you click on the help, then it will show the about us, about project information. Let's write hello. So bot will reply hello there.
Hello there.
And it will also show the last message sent on November 12, 2021. Okay, it will show the current date, like right now it is showing the previous date which I have built this project. Now what are the upcoming exams? So bot will reply
Mid-2 exams are from the 23rd of November. Please pay exam fee by the 15th of November.
So we have trained the complete model on the large dataset of college question answers. That project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter model used for the user interface.
1,650 INR is the exam fees.
So we have asked what is the exam fees and model will reply. So we ask how to pay fees and then model will reply according to that.
You can pay through online payment or from the fee counter in the admin department.
You can also change the font like timer, default. Okay, this is the color theme. You can change the color theme like default, gray, blue. Let's ask another questions. What is M block? And bot will reply.
It's the biotechnology bot.
So I will ask where is library?
Take left from the statue and walk straight and take left and walk to find the library on your right.
And bot will reply in the text and audio format.
Scholarship office is in the ground floor of D block.
Like we have asked the scholarship.
Not sure I understand. Kindly rephrase the question.
Thanks, and bot will reply happy to help. Okay, this is the complete project.
Okay.
And if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're in doubt, then you can contact us. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.